Hi students. Let's see how much you've learned in this chapter. Here's a quick revision of everything you've studied and learned so far. At the end, don't forget to share your score in the comments. You'll find the full playlist in the description below. What is the primary focus of science according to the text? Option A. Memorizing facts. Option B. Performing experiments. Option C. Asking questions. Option D. Reading textbooks. The correct answer is asking questions. What is one of the main purposes of the science textbook mentioned? Option A. To provide answers. Option B. To encourage exploration. Option C. To list scientific laws. Option D. To teach history. The correct answer is to encourage exploration. What is emphasized as a key part of scientific exploration? Option A. Curiosity. Option B. Competition. Option C. Memorization. Option D. Observation. The correct answer is curiosity. Which of the following is not mentioned as a topic in the textbook? Option A. Physics. Option B. Chemistry. Option C. Mathematics. Option D. Biology. The correct answer is mathematics. What type of changes are discussed in relation to materials? Option A. Permanent changes. Option B. Reversible and irreversible changes. Option C. Chemical changes only. Option D. Physical changes only. The correct answer is reversible and irreversible changes. What natural process is highlighted as essential for survival in animals? Option A. Photosynthesis. Option B. Respiration. Option C. Reproduction. Option D. Migration. The correct answer is respiration. How do plants obtain their food according to the text? Option A. By eating insects. Option B. Through photosynthesis. Option C. By absorbing nutrients from soil. Option D. By drinking water. The correct answer is through photosynthesis. What phenomenon is explained by the movement of the Earth and Moon? Option A. Seasons. Option B. Eclipses. Option C. Tides. Option D. Weather patterns. The correct answer is eclipses. What is the significance of asking questions in science? Option A. It leads to memorization. Option B. It helps in finding answers. Option C. It encourages deeper understanding. Option D. It is not important. The correct answer is it encourages deeper understanding. What does the text suggest about the relationship between different fields of science? Option A. They are completely separate. Option B. They often inspire each other. Option C. They are outdated. Option D. They are only theoretical. The correct answer is they often inspire each other. What is one way early humans measured time? Option A. Using a digital clock. Option B. By observing shadows. Option C, by counting stars. Option D, by listening to sounds. The correct answer is by observing shadows. What is the role of heat in changes mentioned in the text? Option A, it has no role. Option B, it speeds up changes. Option C, it slows down changes. Option D, it causes irreversible changes. The correct answer is, it speeds up changes. What is the purpose of the activities and experiments suggested in the textbook? Option A, to pass exams. Option B, to memorize facts. Option C, to deepen understanding. Option D, to compete with others. The correct answer is, to deepen understanding. What does the text imply about the nature of scientific discovery? Option A, it is a one-time event. Option B, it is a continuous process. Option C, it is only for professionals. Option D, it is based on luck. The correct answer is, it is a continuous process. What does the text encourage students to do as they learn science? Option A, follow strict guidelines. Option B, ask questions and explore. Option C, focus solely on theory. Option D, avoid making mistakes. The correct answer is, ask questions and explore. What concept is introduced when discussing the properties of materials? Option A, metals and non-metals. Option B, living and non-living things. Option C, chemical reactions. Option D, energy sources. The correct answer is, metals and non-metals. What does the text suggest about the connection between human activities and the natural world? Option A, they are unrelated. Option B, they are interconnected. Option C, they only affect animals. Option D, they only affect plants. The correct answer is, they are interconnected. What is one of the key questions students are encouraged to ask? Option A, what is the answer? Option B, how do things work? Option C, what is the textbook's purpose? Option D, who invented science? The correct answer is, how do things work? What is the significance of the butterfly and paper plane in the text? Option A, they are examples of animals. Option B, they represent the idea of learning taking flight. Option C, they are unrelated. Option D, they are historical artifacts. The correct answer is, they represent the idea of learning taking flight. What does the text say about the changes happening in our bodies during middle school? Option A, they are unimportant. Option B, they are rapid and significant. Option C, they are the same for everyone. Option D, they only happen to boys. The correct answer is, they are rapid and significant. What is one effect of the sun's heat on water mentioned in the text? Option A, it freezes water. Option B, it evaporates water. Option C, it makes water dirty. Option D, it changes water's color. The correct answer is, it evaporates water. What does the text imply about the importance of light? Option A, it is not important. Option B, it helps us see and understand the universe. Option C, it only affects plants. Option D, it is only useful for decoration. The correct answer is, it helps us see and understand the universe. What do the authors hope students will see about science? Option A, it is only about facts. Option B, it is a process of discovery. Option C, it is only for scientists. Option D, it is boring. The correct answer is, it is a process of discovery. What is meant by scientific ideas in one area inspiring discoveries in another? Option A, different fields are unrelated. Option B, knowledge is shared between fields. Option C, only one field is important. Option D, they compete with each other. The correct answer is, knowledge is shared between fields. What type of questions are students encouraged to ask? Option A, simple questions. Option B, interesting and creative questions. Option C, obvious questions. Option D, questions with known answers. The correct answer is, interesting and creative questions. What does the text suggest about the importance of hands-on experiments? Option A, they are not necessary. Option B, they help confirm theories. Option C, they are only for advanced students. Option D, they are boring. The correct answer is, they help confirm theories. What is the relationship between curiosity and learning as described in the text? Option A, curiosity hinders learning. Option B, curiosity is essential for learning. Option C, curiosity is irrelevant. Option D, curiosity only applies to children. The correct answer is, curiosity is essential for learning. What is the ultimate goal of the science journey described in the text? Option A, to memorize facts. Option B, to explore and understand the world. Option C, to compete with classmates. Option D, to finish the textbook. The correct answer is, to explore and understand the world. What does the text suggest about the role of responsibility in science? Option A, it is not important. Option B, it is only for scientists. Option C, it is essential for understanding our impact on the environment. Option D, it is a burden. The correct answer is, it is essential for understanding our impact on the environment. What do the authors hope students will achieve through their exploration of science? Option A, to find all the answers. Option B, to become passive learners. Option C, to develop critical thinking skills. Option D, to avoid making mistakes. The correct answer is, to develop critical thinking skills. What is one way the text suggests students can engage with science? Option A, by only reading. Option B, by asking questions and conducting experiments. Option C, by memorizing definitions. Option D, by avoiding challenges. The correct answer is by asking questions and conducting experiments. What is the significance of the phrase to think like a scientist? Option A, it means to memorize facts. Option B, it means to ask questions and seek understanding. Option C, it means to avoid mistakes. Option D, it means to follow instructions. The correct answer is, it means to ask questions and seek understanding. What does the text imply about the nature of scientific experiments? Option A, they always confirm what we think. Option B, they can lead to more questions. Option C, they are only for professionals. Option D, they are not necessary. The correct answer is, they can lead to more questions. What aspect of time measurement is mentioned in the text? Option A, it is only measured by clocks. Option B, it can be observed through shadows. Option C, it is irrelevant. Option D, it is only for scientists. The correct answer is, it can be observed through shadows. What is the purpose of the question the answer activity? Option A, to provide answers. Option B, to encourage creative thinking. Option C, to memorize facts. Option D, to avoid questions. The correct answer is, to encourage creative thinking. What does the text suggest about the interconnectedness of scientific fields? Option A, they are completely separate. Option B, they can influence each other. Option C, they are outdated. Option D, they are only theoretical. The correct answer is, they can influence each other. What is one of the key themes of the textbook? Option A, competition. Option B, memorization. Option C, exploration and discovery. Option D, passive learning. The correct answer is, exploration and discovery. What does the text imply about the importance of asking deeper questions? Option A, it is unnecessary. Option B, it leads to a better understanding of science. Option C, it is only for advanced students. Option D, it is irrelevant. The correct answer is, it leads to a better understanding of science. What is the overall tone of the text regarding the study of science? Option A, serious and strict. Option B, encouraging and exploratory. Option C, boring and tedious. Option D, confusing and complex. The correct answer is, encouraging and exploratory. What does the text suggest about the nature of scientific knowledge? Option A, it is fixed and unchanging. Option B, it evolves and grows over time. Option C, it is only for experts. Option D, it is irrelevant. The correct answer is, it evolves and grows over time.